Hi, I'm Urvi from your video classes and our today's topic is types of pronouns. Pronouns are the words used in the place of a noun. I'll give you one example. Virat is a cricketer. Virat is an Indian. If you have noticed here, word Virat is used in both the sentences. That means it is being repeated in the second one. The two sentences can be written as Virat is a cricketer. He is an Indian. So what have we done? We have replaced Virat in the second sentence with he, which is a pronoun. Hari is a boy. Hari scored the highest marks in English. Here, word Hari is used in both the sentences. Instead of keeping them as two different sentences, we can join them as in Hari is a boy who scored the highest marks in English. And what have we done is, we have replaced Hari with who. Hari, which is used in the second sentence, is replaced by a pronoun who. There are 8 types of pronouns. They are personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, distributive pronouns, relative pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. We begin with personal pronouns. Pronouns which are used to replace a name of a person or thing are called personal pronouns. As in the example, this is a book. The book is on the table. Can be written as this is a book. It is on the table. Here in this sentence, it is a personal pronoun replacing the noun the book. I, we, you, they, he, she, it are the personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used according to number, that is singular or plural, gender, that is masculine, feminine or neuter gender, and person of the noun for which it stands. It even changes its form according to the case. We see about the personal pronouns changing as per the person. As I said, in the first person denotes the person speaking. And the pronouns here are I and we. The second person denotes the person spoken to. And the pronoun here is you. The third person denotes the person or thing spoken about. And the pronouns are he, she and it. The next is reflexive pronouns. But before we do reflexive pronouns, let me tell you one thing. Pronouns formed by adding self to my, him, her, it and selves to our, your and them are called compound personal pronouns. Self to the singular ones and selves to the plural ones. They are called compound personal pronouns. When compound personal pronouns are used as an object of a verb and reflect the subject of the verb, they are known as reflexive pronouns. They reflect the subject and they are used as an object. For example, the girl painted the wall herself. Here, herself is a reflexive pronoun. It is reflecting the girl who painted and it is used as an indirect object to the verb painted. I will drive myself. Here, myself is a reflexive pronoun used as an object to the verb also. Mom and I bake the cookies ourselves. ourselves is a reflexive pronoun showing that I and my mom bake cookies. Here ourselves is again used as an object. The next is emphatic pronouns. When compound personal pronouns are used for emphasizing the doer of the action, they are termed as emphatic pronouns. That means they give a stress on the doer of the action, that only this particular person has done the work, has completed the action. The girl herself painted the wall. Here, herself is used to put an emphasis on the girl that she only had painted the wall. So, what is done here? Herself is giving a stress on that girl, showing us the importance of the subject. The ring itself is very precious. In this sentence, itself is an emphatic pronoun. They themselves admitted their guilt. Here, themselves is used as an emphatic pronoun. Remember one thing, that we can always do without emphatic pronouns in a sentence. The meaning will not change even if we don't use the emphatic pronouns in our sentence. The next is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out a thing or things to which they refer. They demonstrate. Demonstrate, everybody knows what is demonstrating. These pronouns, they demonstrate, they point out to a thing or things to which they refer. This and these are used to demonstrate things that are near, in distance also and in time also. That and those are used to show things that are far. Those are new buildings. So, here those is pointing out at the building. It is demonstrating the buildings which are new. So, those here is a demonstrative pronoun. This is your passport, showing that, okay, fine, this particular passport is yours. It is demonstrating the passport. It is demonstrating the thing it is associated with. It is a demonstrative pronoun. The next type is indefinite pronoun. As the name suggests, it is indefinite. Indefinite pronouns are used to refer to people or things without specifying who or what they are. It won't specify that who the person is or what the thing is. Pronouns ending with buddy or one are used for people. For example, anybody, nobody, someone. And pronouns ending with thing are used for things. For example, anything, everything, nothing, etc. Someone has stolen my wallet. In this sentence, someone is an indefinite pronoun. We could see everything in the room. Everything is an indefinite pronoun. There is one more pronoun here, we, which is a personal pronoun. Even in the previous sentence, my is a personal pronoun. But we are here only into indefinite ones. Nobody likes a dirty room. Nobody. It is not specifying who doesn't like. Nobody. So, since it is not specifying anyone, it is an indefinite pronoun. We come to the next type, and that is distributive pronouns. The name itself suggests something. It distributes something. Pronouns that refer to persons or things as one among the group are called distributive pronouns. For example, each, either, neither, etc. So, what does a distributive pronoun do? It considers each and every person or thing in the group as an individual. That means distributive pronoun is always singular. So it should be followed by a singular verb. Don't forget this. Let us see a few examples. Each of the players was given a medal. That is, each one individually of all the players from the whole team, each one was given a medal. So here, each is a distributive pronoun. Either of these roads leads to the station. You can see two roads here. One of it leads to the station. So, either is used here as a distributive pronoun. Neither of them is telling the truth. Neither, none of them. Out of these two boys, nobody is telling a truth. So, neither. It is telling individually, neither he nor the other boy. So, neither is a distributive pronoun here. Next is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun refers or relates to some noun in the antecedent. Antecedent is the earlier part of the sentence. They do the work of joining two clauses, so act as conjunction to. Who, whose, whom, which, that are the relative pronouns. This is the boy who runs fast. So what is it doing? It is joining two sentences with the word who. So who is referring to whom? Who is referring to the boy which is in the antecedent, that is the earlier part of the sentence. And it is doing the work of a conjunction also. A triangle whose three sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. So here, whose is referring to the triangle. So instead of triangle, we have used the word whose. It is joining the two sentences. It is a relative pronoun showing the relation between the antecedent and the consequent. We have come to the last type, that is interrogative pronouns. WH words used for asking questions are called interrogative pronouns. They are who, whom, whose, which and what. As in the example, who made the highest score? Here, who is an interrogative pronoun. Whom do you want to see? In this sentence, whom is doing the work of an interrogative pronoun. What is the matter? What is an interrogative pronoun here. With this, we have completed all the types of pronouns. And a small exercise for you all at the end of the video. This time I am not giving the answers. You have to pick out pronouns from the following sentences and state their types. You can write your answers in the comment box. So, if you have understood pronouns and its kinds well, you know what you are supposed to do. Like and share my video. Waiting for your answers in the comment box. See you with some other video in the next topic. Till then, goodbye. Keep practicing and take care.